In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the official Grower Garden Discord server. So the very first thing you need to do is go and make sure you have Discord installed onto your phone. Now, once you have the Discord application installed, we can go and open an internet browser. I'll just be using Safari, and in the search box, type in Discord Grow a Garden and press search. You can then click on this top website, which is Discord Grow a Garden. And this is the official server for Grow a Garden. As you can see, there's 624,000 different people online, and we can press the accept invite button. And just like that, we are now part of this Discord server. Now, if you get a message saying that the Discord server is full, then you'll just need to wait for members to leave before you can go and join the server. Now, you'll also need to agree to the rules and conditions before you can start using the server. So just scroll down to the bottom of this page and press agree. And it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.